Welcome back to ORESTO'S garage. On this episode, will I get the VL running? Let's see, eh? Let's see, but I won't bore you with all the details of what I do. I'll just skip through bits and pieces, tell you what I'm doing. That's about it. She's a different one this episode. What else? Let's cut to the chase. So yeah, I've just got this Raceworks high pressure fuel pump. My VC runs the black in the low pressure, obviously because of the Holly, because this one's fuel injection on the VL. I've gone for the Bosch 44 style. So yeah, it's black. It's the EFP 502. Taken most of the E85 components out, like the surge tank, everything like. I'm not going to run E85 in this. The only thing I'll leave in are the injectors. What do they say? They're 1650 cc injectors in this. Yeah, she's an X TUI's 1000 engine, all modified, so she put out a little bit of power. Yeah, so time to connect this sucker up. So for those who are unsure about the Bosch 44, that's what they look like in style. Versus that one there. I'm going to use the factory bracket, but not for the VL. I'm going to use the VS one, which that fuel tank's the VS. So yeah, alright, let's get started. Alright, so just got a few things for the fuel system. Few of these AN Raceworks to start everything off. Had to get a new catch can because the one I got is crap. No fittings with it, no, couldn't be bothered mucking around for them, so boys set me up with a Raceworks one. It's just one of the catch cans there, if you can see it. So, but yeah, well, let's see what we can do with all this. Alrighty, so we've got a mess of wiring in the fuse section. I had trouble trying to work out why I had no power to any of the relays, fuses, ignition, till I realised the worst mistake ever. One connection not connected. I got power to it now. I'm just waiting to see if she turns over for the first time. Will she turn over? Alright, beautiful. Now let's see if I can hook up a fuel system to it and get it to fire up for the first time. Alrighty, so just a little update on how the VL will be going, or is going. So, I've got most of the interior all in now. Almost, once I get this fuel pump in, it'll be driving stage. Just moving it around, bits and pieces, so yeah. Alright guys, so the car is running, but just idling at this stage. It's still got a lot more to do. Fix up all those fittings. There's a few leaky ones there, but I'm not an AN guy. Don't like those fittings at all. Other people have different opinions. But I just want to say special thanks to all the new subscribers and everyone stuck through on this build. You're all legends, much appreciated. Until next time, see you then. Dumb shit. Now, it was connected.